Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be making a login or sign up UI. That's the user interface, and I've created some codes here, simple ones. Here we'll be having Flutter material that, and here this is my material app with the home sign up. That's why I imported the sign up here, and this is the code for sign up, just a simple scaffold. I also have three data files: login, main, and sign up. Also in my asset I have two pictures which I'll be using for the login and the sign up. Without wasting much time, if you are new here, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and let's get started. Okay, yeah, so I'll be having a background color colors dot purple. Let me use purple, and if I save this, we have it here. So I won't be using an app bar here. Well, I'll have a body, and if I have a text here, let's see, a text here which says I am a boy, Ctrl S. Without the app bar, you can see the text is up here, but we don't want it to be like this, so we'll wrap this around with a safe area, a widget called the safe area, and if I save this now, you'll see the text down here. Okay, so that's just what the safe area does, and let's continue. So yeah, we have my column, and in my column we have the children, which I'll include in a few seconds. But yeah, let's just have main axis alignment. It should be main axis alignment dot space around. I want space around. Okay, and here we'll be having the image. So in this image, I'll just, first of all, let me wrap this with a center widget, and this will be a container with height of 100 and width of 100 too, and then we'll have decoration. It should be box decoration. So here we have the shape. Let's have the shape. We have box shape dot circle, and then we have our image. It should be decoration image, and here we have another image property, and this is where our image will be. So I'll be using the asset image, and here I'll have the assets slash signup dot png. Okay, let's save this now. We have an error. Okay, so removing the center widget. Oh, this should be a child. Sorry about that. This will be a child widget, and yeah, we have it. So let's change this to the fit, and we have box fit dot fill. Okay, all right, and we have it very well. So it's time to add our text field, and here we have it, text field. Let's just add the decoration, input decoration here, and then we have the label. Let's save this first. Okay, so it doesn't look fresh here. Let's have the border. Should it be inside this? border, and we have the outline, input, border. And if I save this, it looks cool now. So let me use this as and there we have, let's have a label text, which will be name, first name. So let's have a first name here, and if you save this, let's check it. So you can see the label here, first name. Okay, so let's just copy this and paste from here. Ctrl C and Ctrl V here. Here we have our last name. Save this, and we can add username, Ctrl V, email address, and then can have our password. Here we have the password, and save this now. You can see this. So the space here is too much, so you can just have space between, and let's save this. Okay, almost the same. Let's just leave it as space around. Okay, so again we can have the keyboard type, and here you can have it keyboard. It's supposed to be here, no? Oh yeah, keyboard type, and we have input text, or am I right? Text input type, dot. Here we have our text. So we're having text for most of it. Ctrl C. Let me see here again. So we have it here too. Ctrl V for username. Here, instead of the dot text, we have dot email address, and here we have dot password, dot visible password. Okay, we can save this. We also have other types, and let me check something. We have another one, date time, and if I save this now, that's under the email address. If I click here, you can see we're having only numbers, so that's just it. Also, there's one for phone numbers too, which will also give us only phone, only number, only phone. It's the same thing. Let me close this and open again. You can see only number. So but we are having email address here, so only email. Okay, and let's save this. So I'll be adding a last thing under, which should be an elevated button. So let's wrap this around with a center widget, and here as our child we have the elevated button. Have the unpressed and empty function, and then we have the child. It should be a text and say sign up. Save this, and we have it here. Also, you can have another property here, which is a row, and we have the children, which will be two texts. Here we have don't have an account, then the other text here, text, it should be login. So this will be have an account instead of the don't have an account and login. Save this. Okay, we need a space here. Here it is, and we can have this in the center, or let's just give this main axis alignment dot, oh, wrong spelling, alignment dot center. Alright, so it's in the center already, and let's style this text. Style, it should be text style, and we have the font size. Let's make this 15, and colors dot white, and for the second one too, let's give this a style too. Style, text style, font size, this will be 20, and the color will be colors dot blue, as blue, light blue accent, and it will be bold. Font weight dot bold, and if you save this, we have it here already. So this is just the sign up screen. This is the sign up screen, and this is the sign up page. Now I have get in my dependencies, so install it. We'll be using it for navigation, and when let's wrap this with Inkwell, wrap with a widget. In my last class I made a video on the difference between Inkwell and gesture detector. I'll leave the link in the description below. So we'll be using get for navigation, and here we'll be going to the login. So let's save this now, and if you press here, you should go to login. Oh yeah, if you want to use the material navigation, you have to wrap this with get material app. So where's my main? Yeah, so we'll be using the get material, and if I restart, oh, import get, restart, and let me check this now. Okay, so this is our login, colors.blue. Now let's build the UI. Can just copy from the sign up and paste some things here. Let me close this and just copy everything. Ctrl C in the login, and here for our body, just have Ctrl V here, and we'll remove something like this assets image. We'll change it to the login text feed. We only need the first name and the last name, so we just need the username, and password. Here it will be login, and here it will be sign up. yeah, let's also import our get. Import get, and saving this now. Okay, we have this, and we'll change the color of sign up to purple. So yeah, if you go to login, you go to the sign up page, and if you have an account, so this should be don't have an account, then you need to sign up. Where is it? Don't have an account. Don't have an account. Save this. Don't have an account, sign up. Sign up, and if you have an account, then you log in. So I hope you can see the transition here and the animation, and if you press here, you can enter whatever you want. If you are true, you have your password, and that's. So I hope you have learned a lot of things. Now if you like this video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and comment down below. If you don't like it, also like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget there's also time for you to, there's a chance for you to suggest the type of video you want, suggest whatever you want, and I'll make this type of video you want. And this video will stop today. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next lesson.